How much do you make a month?
I make like roughly the same amount as you do, like 2.1 on a good month.
This OnlyFans model makes 7-figure just by being on camera. But here is a better side hustle that doesn't require you to be on camera or even show your face at all. Check this out. This is my Stripe account. $6,000, $11,000, $2,000, $1,000, $3,000. This is what I call a no-code AI SaaS. It's no-code artificial intelligence software as a service. This is where you take somebody else's software pre-made, pre-code, and put your own name and logo on top of it. And the best part, it has this AI agent functionality that allow you to resell for 80 to 90% profit margin. The part about it is that I don't have to do any of the selling. The AI agent is doing all of the selling and also is a part of the products itself. All I have to do is just go to ChatGPT and ask it to create a voice AI assistant that's going to do cold calling for my hair salon client and able to bring 20 to 30 new clients every week for the business. GPT will do its thing and give it personality, goal, voice tone, behaviors, and sample scripts. I come back to the software and click Create Assistant and generate an assistant right here, and it's just give it a name and a description. And all I have to do is just copy and paste this prompt to the AI agent software. And voila, my AI agent is ready to cold call for me.
Looks amazing. I just had a quick idea I wanted to share with you. We help salons like yours book 20 to 30 new clients every week using AI to handle bookings, follow-ups, and no-shows automatically. Here's the wild part. You're actually getting this call from that same AI system. I'm not a person, I'm the product. And I'm built specifically to help salons grow without hiring more staff. Vico, if you're even a little curious, I can send over a short demo video. It shows exactly how it works and how other salons are using this to fill their calendar every week. Want me to send it?
I don't believe you. This is just too unreal. How much does this all cost?
Totally get that, Vico. It does sound a bit unreal at first, but that's what makes it so exciting. I can absolutely share more details, including pricing, in the demo video. It's super short and explains everything clearly, including how salons are seeing results.
This is too easy, guys. I normally charge $2,000 to $6,000 to set this up and $297 to $997 to keep this AI agent system running. And no, I'm not some guru who tries to sell you some $1,000 course, but I did happen to make a free step-by-step guide on how to make this no-code AI agency from scratch. Make sure that you comment the word AI below and one of my team will send out the details. And this is how.